I am very much sick, so we're going to be making some buffalo chicken dip. And I know all of y'all are worried about me, worried sick, wanting to send me get well soon cards, some flowers, and maybe some bombs, specific people. But if y'all wanting to send me that, my address is. On this new segment of this channel, on the weekends we will be doing Wicked Weekends, where we make some wicked meal preps. And for this wicked meal, we will be making some buffalo chicken dip. And for in this meal, we will be making some high protein buffalo chicken dip. First, what you want to do is grab a bowl. Place the bowl. I decided to go out with this rotisserie chicken that I picked up at Walmart, which is easy. Next, what you want to do is shred that chicken, just like how I shred my pants after Taco Bell. Then grab your buffalo sauces, just like so. Then just add 1 cup of buffalo sauce, just like so. One cup of cottage cheese. Then add 1 cup of 0% Greek yogurt. One packet of ranch seasoning. Then just mix it all up. Then sprinkle some mixed cheese in there. Then just take it over to your oven, which should be preheated to 350. Then bake that for 35 minutes. And then once it's done, grab your oven mitts, just like so. Take it out of the oven. You should be left with some cheesy deliciousness. And if y'all enjoyed this recipe, give it a try yourself and hopefully you love it. Want to see more content like this? Like and subscribe in the next video.